Hello everyone, I'm Bad Pan. It's been nearly a month since I made my last video, and the reason for it you guys might know because I've created a post about it. If you didn't read the post or you want to know more, in this video I'm gonna explain everything, and I'm gonna explain what happened, what's gonna happen, and what is gonna happen with this channel. As you guys might know, I've been making YouTube videos for more than a year, maybe a year and a half. First of all, thank you so much. We have reached over 800 subscribers, and I'm just sorry I wasn't there when we reached that. When I started this channel, I never felt like I would, reach more than 100 subs. But as we continued, we all have grown and we all have experienced a lot of things. We have learned a lot of things, and this journey that I had was something that I can never forget. And this thing we have here, this community, is something to be actually proud of. I'm really happy that we have this community, that we can learn and we can help each other in the journey we all love, which is like game development. This simple thing in a country like Iran is something very hard, because since I started this channel, I think something like this happened 2 or 3 times. One of them was during the war that happened, and I actually made a post about it, made a video about it. And the next thing is this one. Nothing like this ever happened in Iran, not as as hard as this, because it was Thursday and they kind of disconnected the whole internet. Disconnecting a whole internet like that for a country for more than 3 weeks is not something to be proud of. They even disabled our calling system. We couldn't call our dear ones, our loved ones, our families. I really wish nothing like this ever happens to anyone, especially not you guys, because this is not something that's gonna, make you feel any better, because it's gonna just make you full of stress, because you know that people are gonna come out and protest, but then suddenly, exactly at the time the people are gonna come out, they disable everything. No news, no calling, no SMS. They disconnected the whole country from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Then they would just activate the calling systems. No SMS, We didn't have any SMS or any sending text messages for over a week. But you think about it, is something crazy, something not cool. And I'm not gonna talk about my work, because my work, I still cannot work okay, because I still don't have a good access to internet, and as I'm recording this, I don't know if I'll be able to, upload this, but I try my best to upload it. I know it's gonna take a lot of time to upload, because my internet speed, not just mine, the whole country's internet is just, the worst it can be. It always was the worst internet you can get for a country, but right now it's not even an internet. After a week, they just opened some internal applications. And each day they would say, well, open the internet the next day. If it was Saturday, they would say the internet is going to be open by the end of Saturday, which is the start of Sunday, for example. And they wouldn't do that. They did this for 2 weeks, Like the personal pressure and the conscious pressure was not enough. They would just lie to us, and they would just, do this. And I cannot talk more about what happened and what's going to happen, because they're going to just come and take me. So I'm not going to talk about that. What I did during these days were, I would just go to my work, and even at work, as I know, I work at a game development company that makes games for amusement parks, and this company actually needs internet to download the latest stuff and the latest models, for example, or the latest things they're gonna need. Not only this, all the game developers or every people need, internet for their work. But we didn't have internet. We couldn't even communicate. We couldn't send SMS. We have to, write something at the end of the day for everything we did, and we didn't have any platforms to write on, because everything was, blocked in these days, and we had to write what we did, by hand with a pen and a paper, which put us back like 100 years. And when you think about it, this is super crazy, and I don't know what to say. And I'm not gonna talk a lot about it. I just wanted to let you guys know, as it was my duty to let you guys know that you guys made such a heartwarming and amazing comments. I'm just sorry for not being able to access the internet and for not being able to make videos. I'll try my best to make it up to you guys when I come back. When I finally got like an hour of internet suddenly, and it was because they just messed up filtering the stuff. They just opened the internet for an hour, and as soon as I got the internet, I went and I made a post and I let you guys know what's gonna happen, and then they just deactivated the internet. They would activate it randomly for 20 minutes. It's like a week after that situation, and it is like in a month, and we still don't have good internet. The gaming is dead because we cannot play anything online. We cannot access Unity websites. We usually cannot because Iran is in a sanction by them, but right now we cannot even access it using VPNs. What's gonna happen next is we don't know, because there are some news about US and Iran's gonna starting a war or something. I don't know. I just want, as a human being, to live a normal life. I don't want to have to do anything with politics or anything, because I just want peace for every human being. Why do we have to fight? I don't know. Why do we have to make a war? What's gonna happen next is, if I can, upload this video, even if it is gonna take, 2 or 3 hours to upload, if uploading is actually available and YouTube and the internet actually lets us upload, I'll try to upload some new videos, and we're gonna go back to where we were slowly. I actually had a video. I was uploading it on Thursday, the day they deactivated the internet. It was actually a video recommended by our dear friend in the comment sections. I had a short video as well to upload on Friday, but yeah, this happened. This is okay. I made a lot of improvement to my game, the new game that I was making devlogs. I actually made some pretty cool functions inside it. I know you guys are gonna be excited when you see it, because that was something that made myself excited. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video and for being amazing and helping us when I wasn't even around. Hope all the very best for you, and I'll see you in the next video.